Hey, it's Verity here, just popping in to give you a little announcement of a free online CardMaker event in July. I am one of the 25 plus speakers that will be presenting a card class to kickstart your Christmas cards in July. This is perfect if you want to get a head start on your Christmas cards or want to get some inspiration and ideas ahead of the time. As I mentioned, I'm teaching one of the classes, which is a modern sensational stenciled cards, which are perfect for the season. Great for beginners, also great for mass producing. If you want to check out this free online card making summit, I have a link down in the description box below. This 4-day event is a free online event. You can attend for the 4 days and check out all of the 25 plus speakers. However, if you want an ongoing access as well as access to additional free content, you can upgrade your ticket. I've got a link in the description box below which is affiliated, so if you do use that, I do get a small commission at no extra cost to you. I hope you can join it. There are some fabulous speakers, fabulous presentations, and lots of bonus content for you to check out.